Okay, listen closely, guys. If you're doing this budget for yourself, I mean, most of you guys are freshmen and sophomores, and so my guess is you don't have regular income, like you don't have a job. That's my guess, all right? If you do have a job, you want to put your gross amount right here, and then it'll automatically estimate how many taxes, deductions are taken out. If you get, now I don't know, this is not true for all families, okay? Some of you guys get money from your family, some of you guys don't, okay? If your parents give you like an allowance, you're going to want to put that right here in this spot, in the extra income. If you put it in the extra income, it's not going to automatically take taxes out of it. So then it works it out so that you can see what you could do with the money, like as if you were making that money on a regular basis. Now, maybe that's not you. Maybe you don't get money from your parents regularly. That's fine, okay? You can do this without earning money. You can practice making your budget, all right? But we gotta think about some of the things that, one, your parents spend money on for you, and we gotta start thinking about things like that you want to spend money on, okay? So I'm gonna give you guys a couple of ideas, and you guys gotta pick what you want to put on your budget, all right? But you gotta put something. That's how you finish this project, okay? So let's say you want to have like snack money / going out money, okay? Because this is probably true for some of you guys. You probably, like if you're going to go get snacks after school one day because you and your friends are going to hang out, you probably can go to your parents and say, hey, can I have $10 so I can get snacks after school, okay? And so let's say like you would like to have $10 every week, all right? So let's put that in here. I'm just going to put snacks right here. You guys can do this too if you want. Yeah, go ahead.
Mine doesn't pop up, like for the Jenna and like.
Oh, go like this. You press the button right above the 5, and then the toolbar is hiding the.
So which one is it? The next one?
It's the me, or mine budget. Okay, the mine tab. All right, so let's say, so how much would that be a month? If it's $10 a week, that would be $40 a month. So I'm going to put 40 right here. Okay, and that's just like spending money. Okay. Now, if your parents already give you spending money, then you already know the amount that you want to put in right there. Okay. Now, what about other things? Like, I want to talk about, let's talk about shoes. Okay. Let's say, I'm pretty confident that you guys have parents that buy you shoes. I'm looking around, I'm seeing some clean shoes. Okay. So now, if your family was like my family, you didn't get new shoes until August, when it's back to school time. Now, how much are your shoes? How much do you want to spend on shoes? Do you guys know? Like $60? That's honestly mostly from what I'm hearing from most people. I'm going to do 70 though, because I'm worried about taxes and stuff. So let's say we need $70 by the time it comes to August, so that we can buy some shoes. Now let's count our months. Okay, we got February, March, April, May, June, July, August. That's 7 months. So we have 7 months to get $70. And so how much would that be every month? Let's see, divide this by 7 months. What would that be? Oh, that's an easy division problem. Come on, guys, what you got? What is that? What's 70 divided by 7?
10.
That's right, it's 10. All right, so we got 10 right here. And so for shoes, we're going to save $10 a month. Okay, now you're pretending you're making yourself a budget. You're pretending you're having an income, okay? So what else can we put up there that would be something that you would want on your budget? Maybe you really like hats. Maybe you're a skater and you're pretty hard on your boards. Okay, so you skate a lot. And you know that if you skate a lot and you're doing all the fun stuff that you do with skateboards, you wear that sucker out and you have to get a new deck every so many months. So I think my brother skated a lot more than I did. When I was in high school. And I think that his boards would go bad after like 3 months of use. They got the board slides, the tail slides, and sometimes he fell and it went into the wall or the curb, whatever. It would just go bad or lose its pop. Okay, that's what he would say. And so he'd get a new board. And boards, I think, are they still like $60 for a deck? Okay, so $60 for a deck. Now this is my brother. He would need $60 every 3 months. So let's plan for that. Okay, so after 3 months, so how many dollars should we save a month so that we would have 60? Well, if we divide it, we get 20. And so for saving, I'm going to save for a new deck. I'm going to put $20 in right here. So you guys see what I'm doing right here? You guys have to think about the things that you would want to spend money on. Okay? Even like movies. All right? Do you have any cinema lovers in here? You like going to movies? All right. So like, if you like going to movies, you're going to want to start like having that in your budget. And so let's say you want $30 for the movies, you know, because tickets are freaking expensive and a Coke costs like $10 or whatever. And you want to do this like every other month. So that means you have 2 months to get enough money to go to the movies. And so I'm going to put movies right here. And I'm going to put $15 away for that. Okay, so this is my budget. It's kind of lame, I know. There's not that much on there. But if you're thinking about you having the opportunity to budget your own money, this is how you start. Okay? Ooh, let's do clothes. Let's do more clothes than this. All right, I got shoes. How much money do you think you need, you know, to buy some new decent clothes for school when it comes August? $400? $300? What do you guys say? Someone give me a number. 3? All right, we'll do 300. So 300 for clothes. And we decided earlier that it was 7 months until you would need that. So we got to do that. Does anybody have a calculator? You can throw that in your calculator really fast. So you got $42.86. But you know what? I don't like having change on my budget. If I can avoid it, I'm not going to have change. Instead, I'm just going to save $43. And so let's go over here to clothes. Or you can say back to school. That's probably a good idea. Back to school. And we're going to save $43 a month. Okay? So now on your budget, now I'm just writing on this, but on your budget, this number right here will automatically start adding up all your expenses. And so let me add this really fast. That's 20 and 40, so that's 60. That's 70. 70 plus 43 is going to be 113 plus 15. So what would that be? 113 plus 15, that'd be 123, 128. So this is a negative 128. That's how much money you would go to your parents with. Now, I know that seems like a lot, okay? But look at all the stuff that you're saving for. These are things that your parents are already going to spend money on you for. They're already going to buy you clothes when the new school year starts. They're already going to buy you shoes. You just have to convince them, hey, parents, can I have $128? What are you talking about? I'm not giving you $128. No, here, look at my budget, okay? And these are things you're going to give me money for anyways, so why not give it to me now so that I can practice being responsible with my money so that one day when I'm making regular income, I'll be smart with my money and I'll budget, okay? In fact, parents, if you do this, I will not ask you for a dime this month, okay? That'll be the thing. And maybe you guys might have to negotiate. Maybe your parents are like, all right, this is cool, but you know what? You can't save for your back to school right now, okay? Let's take off $43. And so you take off the money that they want you to take off, and then they give you whatever that is. And then you get a chance to save and to practice budgeting, all right? Guys, this is amazing. If you can actually do this to start practicing budgeting your own money, it takes discipline. Because you're going to have $40. And you're like, this is all I got for the month. And so you got to make sure that you stay within that $40. And then, at first you're only going to have 15 for movies, so you're not going to be able to go to movies yet. But the next month when you get that money again, boom, then you have enough money to go to the movies. But you don't touch that $15 until the next month when you have enough to actually go to the movies. Do you guys understand? All right. Now, for the assignment, this is all you got to do. Just write some stuff in here and submit it. You're done.